this out on your own. So go reinvent yourself into a whole other person. But I know you better than anyone you'll ever know. Oh, you said that you needed space. Go on, then astronaut. And when you come back down to earth, bet I'll be the one you call. When you realize there's nothing out there but Murder and Tina's, and you let a good thing go. You could get one of those super white suits and bounce around town like my gravity isn't holding you. And the coolest part of it is how you tell me that you love me still. Like I'm supposed to wait here while you're figuring out just how you feel.